No, he's saying it's a little tight, so we'll just keep it on his head. Okay? We will keep it here. Okay, now everybody stand up. Everybody stand. My good class. Where is my good class? Wave to me. This is my good class. Okay, and this is the reception class. Now we will let's sing the birthday song for Sarim. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sarim. Happy birthday to you. Clapping. Yay. Now Sarim, you want to eat a piece? Okay. Eat it. A little bite, small bite. Good boy. Yay, clapping. Wow, what a lovely nice cake. Sarim, how? Pani peena hai aapko? You want to drink water? Okay, we will get you water. Sarim, how old are you? You are 5 or 4? Pani peena hai? Okay, you go to, where's your bottle?